Ever wonder what separates those who seem to rise above their challenges from those who seem constantly bogged down by their circumstances? Welcome to Tenacity Talk, the channel where determination meets conversation. I'm thrilled you've chosen to join us on this journey of inspiration and growth. At Tenacity Talk, we believe in the power of resilience, the strength of perseverance, and the impact of unwavering tenacity in every aspect of life. Whether you're looking for motivational stories, practical tips, or engaging discussions, you're in the right place. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's embark on this inspiring adventure together. Well, let's dive into this intriguing conundrum. The answer may be simpler than you think. Positivity. Yes, the power of positivity. It's not merely a buzzword, but a potent force that shapes our perception, fuels our resilience, and ultimately influences our trajectory. Imagine positivity as a radiant sun, its rays piercing through the darkest clouds, illuminating even the murkiest corners of our lives. It's this beacon of hope that guides us through stormy seas, that keeps the flame of determination alight when all else seems lost. Take Sam, for instance. His life was a whirlwind of trials and tribulations. Yet rather than succumbing to despair, Sam chose to face each challenge with a grin, a resilient spirit, and an unwavering belief in his potential. His path was not an easy one, but it was a path he traversed with a heart full of optimism and a mind brimming with positivity. From a young age, Sam was dealt a tough hand. His journey was fraught with obstacles, each one seemingly more insurmountable than the last, yet he never let these hurdles deter him. Instead, Sam saw each challenge as an opportunity to grow, to learn, to become a better version of himself. His positive outlook was his armor, shielding him from the harsh blows of life, propelling him forward on his path to personal growth. Sam's story is a testament to the power of positivity. It showcases how a positive mindset can transform a life marred by adversities into a tale of resilience and triumph. But this raises a question. How does one cultivate such an outlook in the face of adversity? Indeed, positivity is not something that simply appears out of thin air. It is a mindset that must be nurtured, a seed that must be patiently watered until it blossoms into a robust tree, capable of withstanding even the most violent storms. Sam's story is a testament to the power of positivity, but how does one cultivate such an outlook in the face of adversity? Challenges are inevitable, but surrendering to them is not. This is the mantra that our friend Sam lived by. Let's take a deeper dive into his story, shedding light on the hurdles he faced and how he transformed them into stepping stones toward success. Sam's journey was far from smooth sailing. He faced financial troubles, personal loss, and even battled with his own self-doubt and fear. But Sam had a unique perspective on these challenges. He didn't view them as roadblocks, but rather as opportunities to learn, grow, and become stronger. Let's break down this perspective. It's not about denying the existence of challenges or sugarcoating the harsh realities of life. Rather, it's about shifting the lens through which we view these challenges. It's about acknowledging them, understanding them, and then harnessing them to fuel our journey forward. Sam's financial troubles, for instance, were indeed daunting, but he chose to see this challenge as a chance to become financially literate, to learn how to budget, save, and invest. His personal losses, though heartbreaking, taught him the value of cherishing relationships and living in the moment. His self-doubt and fear, while paralyzing at times, pushed him to confront his insecurities, leading to self-discovery and personal growth. This mindset didn't come naturally to Sam, nor was it easy to maintain. It required a conscious effort, a relentless determination to stay positive, and the courage to confront his fears head-on. But by doing so, he was able to turn his challenges into opportunities, his fears into lessons, and his dreams into reality. Now, you may be wondering, how did Sam keep his spirits high in the face of adversity? That's a valid question, and the answer lies in his unwavering belief in his potential and his commitment to personal growth. But we'll delve into that in the next part of our discussion. Sam's perspective on challenges was a game changer, but how did he keep his spirits high in the face of adversity? Stay tuned to find out. As we navigate through Sam's story, we can uncover valuable insights that can help us transform our own challenges into opportunities for growth. Do you believe in your worth, even when the world seems to say otherwise? This is not just a question, but a reflection of the power we hold within ourselves. Our worth is not just a measure of our achievements or failures, it's the essence of who we are, the very core of our existence. Consider Sam, a beacon of resilience and determination. His story is one of relentless pursuit, of not letting life's adversities deter him from his path. The world might have thrown him curveballs, but Sam never doubted his worth. He knew he was capable of much more than what his circumstances suggested. He embraced his worth, and it served as his shield, his driving force, guiding him towards his goals. When we believe in our worth, it impacts our mindset positively. It's not about being arrogant or overconfident, it's about acknowledging our potential, our capabilities. When we recognize our worth, we free ourselves from the shackles of self-doubt and negativity. We realize that we are not defined by our failures, but by how we rise after falling. Our self-worth is like a compass, steering us towards our dreams. It helps us set clear goals and gives us the courage to chase them relentlessly. It empowers us to be honest with ourselves, to assess our efforts truthfully, without the fear of judgment. It teaches us to be accountable, to take responsibility for our actions and decisions. The journey of personal growth is challenging, yes, but it's also transformative. It's about shedding old beliefs, embracing new perspectives, and constantly evolving. It's about understanding that there's always room for improvement, that there's always another level of achievement to aspire to. Embracing our self-worth is the first step in this journey. It's about knowing that we matter, that our dreams matter. It's about believing in our potential to create, to innovate, to make a difference. It's about understanding that we are not just a drop in the ocean, but the ocean in a drop. Believing in your worth is paramount. But what happens when the path to success seems unclear? How do you define success? Is it a destination or is it a journey? Let's take a look at Sam, a person who embodied the pursuit of excellence. Sam saw success not as a finish line, but as an ongoing process of betterment and growth. Sam's story is not one of overnight success, but rather a tale of relentless determination and consistent effort. He didn't wake up one day to find himself at the pinnacle of his field. No, Sam's journey was one of constant self-improvement, of pushing his boundaries, of never settling for good enough. His commitment to continuous improvement was unwavering. He understood that to excel, he needed to be in a state of perpetual learning, always seeking to enhance his knowledge and skills. He knew the importance of setting clear, measurable goals, and he remained committed to them, no matter the obstacles. But perhaps the most crucial aspect of Sam's journey was his belief in his potential. He understood his worth, and never doubted his ability to achieve his goals. He believed in himself, even when the odds seemed stacked against him. And it was this unshakable belief that propelled him forward, that kept him going, even when the road to excellence seemed steep and unforgiving. It's easy to look at an individual like Sam and see only the end result, the success story. But it's essential to remember the journey, the hard work, the perseverance. It's about recognizing that the path to excellence is not a straight line, but a winding road filled with challenges and setbacks. And yet it's also about understanding that these challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones towards success. It's about realizing that every setback is a chance to learn, to grow, to improve. It's about acknowledging that the pursuit of excellence is not about being the best, but about being better than you were yesterday. Sam's pursuit of excellence was relentless. But was it all just about achieving his goals? The answer is no. It was about the journey, the growth, the transformation. It was about the pursuit of excellence, and the person he became in the process. What happens after you reach your goal? Do you stop or do you push for more? Let's delve into Sam's journey. Sam, a man who never settled for less, always aimed for the next level. He knew that achieving a goal wasn't a finish line, but rather a new starting point. His philosophy: there's always another mountain to climb, another challenge to conquer. His life was a testament to the power of relentless determination, a beacon of light illuminating the path to self-improvement. Sam didn't just dream, he took action. He celebrated his victories, yes, but he didn't rest on his laurels. He was always looking forward, always planning his next move. Why? Because he understood that growth isn't a destination, it's a journey. And on this journey there is always another milestone to reach, another level to strive for. But let's be clear, it wasn't always smooth sailing for Sam. He faced obstacles, he grappled with failures, but he didn't let those deter him. Instead, he saw them as opportunities for learning, for self-discovery. He held himself accountable, picked himself up, dusted himself off, and kept going. He was resilient in the face of adversity, unwavering in his commitment to personal growth. Sam's story is a powerful reminder for all of us. It's an affirmation that complacency is the enemy of success, that the pursuit of excellence is never ending. It's an encouragement to embrace the struggle, to see the beauty in the journey, and to always, always strive for more. Our journey, like Sam's, is a series of ups and downs, twists and turns. But it's these experiences that shape us, that make us who we are. It's these experiences that push us to the next level, that challenge us to redefine what's possible. Sam's story shows us that personal growth is a never-ending journey. It's about constantly pushing for more, breaking barriers, and redefining what's possible. As we wrap up another episode of Tenacity Talk, I hope you found the inspiration and motivation you need to fuel your journey ahead. Remember, tenacity is not just a trait, it's a way of life. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need a boost, and subscribe for more empowering conversations. We're building a community here at Tenacity Talk, so join the discussion in the comments below. Until next time, stay tenacious, stay motivated, and keep pushing towards your goals. Take care, and keep that tenacity alive.